Now, I'll explain one more problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question is from the topic divisibility. If x and y are two digits of a number 653xy such that the number is divisible by 80, then what is the value of x plus y? Four options are also given. In this problem, this number is divisible by 80. So, definitely units place should be 0. Am I right? Then only it will be divisible by 80. So, we are getting y value as 0. What is 80? 5 into 16 is 80. Am I right? So, if the number ends with 0, definitely it is divisible by 5. So, divisibility condition for 5 is over. Now, it should be divisible by 16 also. Now, by using that divisibility condition, we can find out the value of x. Because x is in the tens place. Now, what is the condition for divisibility by 16? If the last 4 digits of a number is divisible by 16, then the whole number is divisible by 16. That is the condition. Now, what are last 4 digits? 53xy. Y value we got as 0. So, 53x0 must be divisible by 16. So, if you substitute 6 in the place of x, then this 5360 is divisible by 16. Okay, if you substitute other numbers, that means if you substitute 1 in the place of x, it is not divisible by 16. If you substitute 2 in the place of x, it is not divisible by 16. If you substitute 6 only, it is divisible by 16. 5360 divided by 16. 3 times 48. 3 16s are remainder 56. Again 3 16s are 48. Remainder 8 85 times. So the least value of x is 6. So already we got y value as 0. X plus y is 6 plus 0. That is 6 only.